heads up to a third competitor in the funding scene. This is Actual Traders. I just discovered them today, so you can go to the website at actualtraders.com and check them out for yourselves. Much of the same thing as TopStep and One-Up Trader, albeit with slightly different parameters. First, you have what they call, this would be the combine, they call it the trader tryout. You have to trade for a minimum of 10 days, and you can only trade the instruments listed in the program. You can trade between these hours are compromised because with the TopStep you can trade from 6 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard, and they cut off an hour, so that's a bit of a disadvantage. You must not exceed the maximum position size, losses, yada yada, or much of the same, up to 80%. A single day's, no, this is something else. A single day's profit must not account for more than 80% of your 10 days profit or your total target's profit. The profit split, here's their trader tryout light. They have two accounts, pro and light. The difference between this and TopStep Trader and One-Up Trader. One-Up Trader and TopStep do futures. Actual Traders is solely for Forex. So this is for you if you want to do Forex, if you're trained on Forex or for whatever reason you just can't trade futures, then this is an option for you. So you'll see Trader Tryout Light is 500,000 maximum position size, so this is a 5 lot. This would be $50 per tick, or you can separate it out and trade 2 lots on one and one on another, and so on and so forth. Maximum daily loss 1,000, maximum total loss 2,000, profit target 3,000. So this is like the 50k combine basically. 5 contracts, exactly the same risk parameters. The fee, I believe, is also the same for the 50k. It's 150 for the 30k, so this looks about right for the 50. Then you have the Trader Tryout Pro, so this would be 10 contracts, a million is 10 lots, because 100,000 is a 1 lot. Then you have daily max loss 2,000, maximum loss 3,000, profit target 6. So this is modeled on the 100k combine. The profit split, let's go to the profit split. I'll just pause the video. The profit split is rather horrible. $0 to $3,000, you only get 50%. Once you've made 3,000 to 5,000, when you're in that profit bracket, 60, 5,000 to 2070, you have to earn over $20,000 to get to the 80% that TopStep Trader offers immediately. So that's terrible where that's concerned. But, and there's a big but, there is another facet to their program. You can also have a no-test live trading real money now option. So let's have a look at that. No, that's not there. Let me just pause the video again. Okay, here it is, what they call the express count. So you can express account. So you can start from a trial, which TopStep and One-Up offer as well. Nobody really needs to do that. The Trader Tryout, which would be the evaluation for One-Up, or the combine for TopStep. Then you go to trade real money, or you can just start straight off the bat with the express account. Confident in your trading? Start trading our money today. You can read this for yourself. Basically, you have light and pro. Your maximum position size is a paltry 25,000, so that's $2.50 per tick. Maximum daily loss is $75, which is appropriate for that risk size, because let's say you have a 10 tick stop, then you would have a $25 stop. If it's a 10 ticks times $2.50, 25, you've got a max daily loss of 75, so you'd have 3 shots. Then you have max total loss 250. So if you're risking 25 per trade, let's say you have 10 pips in a Forex position on this, then you would have 10 shots. The catch, or the thing is, you have to pay $185 per month whilst making real money. So it's up to you to see what you could make with $2.50 per tick. You know, if you have a 10 pip stop and you can get a 20 tick target, you do that a couple times a day, you make $100. 25 on the stop, 50 on the win, 2 wins, $100. Can you cover the monthly fee and come out on top? That's up to you and your individual trading for you to decide. You can do pro, pay $300 a month and get upgraded to 50,000, which is $5 per tick, and everything's multiplied out except for the max total loss. They cap that a little because it should be 500 if it were proportional. So this actually offers and it also offers you the chance to increase your trading limit. So here you can see if you leave $500 in your account with the Express Lite, you get an extra 25,000 or $2.50 per tick. 1,000 in your account, you get an extra 50. On the Express Pro, they ramp that up. So where you had 50 before, you get another 50. So now you've got a 1 lot or $10 per tick. If you keep 2,000 in your account, you get an extra 1 lot and a half lot. So you end up with 2 lots or $20 per tick. So this could be a very feasible option for those who think they can trade or are sure that they can trade off the bat, and they offer you a chance to just go straight to it and make money for a fee. So essentially you're paying a combined fee for reduced buying power, but keeping all the profits that you make in the quote combine. So I think this is a really excellent opportunity and one that bears looking at. The other two companies do not offer anything like this, so that's where I would definitely wouldn't go with their trader tryout, but I would have a look at this. One more thing I wanted to mention is the instruments. So I'll just pause one last time. These are the instruments. So you would have the Australian, US dollar, euro, all the major forex pairs. So you can trade them in tandem, one the other, but the euro, US dollar. I don't know if they have commissions, and I don't know what their spread is like. So have a dig around, jump in, have a look. It's something to be considered given their Express account. That's what I would look at. So just wanted to drop this on the audience, anyone watching the channel. And yeah, that's it. So I'll be back with the next video, and that's it for now. Take care.